been in the oven for like an hour. So I'm going to check it now. Okay, so that's a lot of liquid and stuff. Okay, so since the chicken has all that liquid, I'm just gonna pour liquid out and then put it back, and then put this barbecue sauce on it. My mother just came home. Okay, I put all the chicken here. This is all the liquid that was there. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm just gonna pour the liquid out. My limits, because it's still hot. Okay, I left a little bit of liquid there, and there's still. So I'm gonna put the chicken back in there, and then I'll come back when I'm done. Now that I put the chicken back in the pan, now I'm gonna put the barbecue sauce. If I can take this off. Here is some barbecue sauce. I'm gonna put it on the chicken. I don't really have a brush to brush it around, so I just use a spoon. And it does the same thing. Right, Brie?
Yeah.
It's a little slower than the brush, but it does the same thing. So spread your barbecue sauce over the chicken, and I need a little more. Excuse me. Put some more here. Okay, I'm gonna spread that in and just put it in the oven. Okay.
That wasn't even a slide.
We're gonna put the chicken back in the oven for not too long because it's already cooked. Now, when I come back, we're going to start
the macaroni.
Okay, so now we're ready for the macaroni. These are my ingredients. Of course, you need some macaroni, any kind. I have the elbows, they're boiling. And I have a can of evaporated milk. I got some sour cream, 2 eggs, 4 bags of cheese. These 2 are shredded cheese, Mexican and sharp cheddar. And these are cheese cubes, mild cheddar and a mixed cheese. So, yes, the macaroni's actually done boiling. I'm going to strain it out in the sink. Now I'm gonna add some butter into the pot. I leave the pot on the burner that I was cooking on so that it's still hot, but I don't really turn it on, but if I need to, then I'll turn it on low. That, I don't know how much butter that is, but it's about how much butter I use. See, it's melting around because the pot is hot. Okay. Now I'm gonna add my macaroni back in that I drained with the butter. Okay. And I I season my macaroni, so that's what I'm gonna do when it's hot and while the butter's melting.
Ouch.
Sorry. Okay, just stop it. Add in my sour cream. I'll probably like finish up what's in there. Now I'm gonna add in my cheese cube, a bag of it. Start to melt a little bit. I'm gonna use this bag also. Now we're gonna let that sit there and we're gonna come over here. Okay, so in this bowl I have those 2 eggs that I had, which I already cracked. And I'm going to put my evaporated milk in there with them. And I'm gonna pour my evaporated milk in there.
Ooh.
Oh!
Poured it on me.
My bad, girl.
Still pouring it on me.
So there's our eggs and our evaporated milk. Now we're gonna go back to the pot. And we're gonna pour that in. Now I have that going. I'm gonna add in some of this cheese. This is the shredded cheese now. I said some and I dumped the whole bag. As you can see in the pot, I need a little more milk. So I'm gonna add it in. This counter is a mess back there. I'm just gonna put in a little bit and mix it up and see, because I'm using this baking dish, so I don't want it to overflow. All right. So now I'm going to transfer it into the baking dish. This is like a non-stick, so I don't really have to spray it. Sometimes I do. Actually, I'll just spray it for the sake of the video. This is what I use. Olive oil, sprayable. I guess that's what it is. Oh my. Oh, there it goes. Barely, hold on. All right, so now we're gonna put it into the, man, this is heavy. I'm gonna pour it in off camera just in case I drop it or my arms give out. Okay, so I got it all in the pan. Now I'm just making sure it's all in. So this is good. Did you give it a zoom, Brie?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now of course we have to add the cheese on top. Oh. So now this is the sharp cheddar, which is gonna go on top. And this one is good to use, the one that says creamy milk, because some of the cheese just don't cut it. My hands are clean. I washed them. Okay, doke. This is about good enough. And then the next step is just to put it in the oven. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a switcheroo. The chicken, oh my gosh. This oven gets me every time I open it. The chicken is basically done. So I'm just gonna take that out and put the mac and cheese in. And we're gonna leave that in there. I'm gonna put on a timer for like 30 minutes. That's the checkpoint. And then if it needs longer after the 30 minutes, then we'll do that. So yeah. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and that's what the macaroni's looking like. It's basically done. And all I have to cook now is the vegetables. So I'm just gonna turn this oven off and just let it sit in there while I cook the vegetables. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to cook a vegetable. I have some Bok Choy, Bok Choy, whatever you want to call it. Here I got some olive oil that I'm gonna put in the pan, and we're gonna wait for that to get hot. I have some stuff I cut up. I have a hot pepper, 3 mini sweet peppers, and part of an onion. So I'm gonna put my onion in and my hot pepper. Give those a swirl. Okay, so these have been in there for a few minutes. Now I'm gonna add in the sweet peppers. And then we're gonna give this a minute and come back. I'm gonna add it in. It's only a little bit. Scanty, as my mother would say, so I'm gonna put more in there. I don't know who that's gonna feed. Nobody. Now this should be enough. And that was frozen. I brought a bunch yesterday and just froze it, so I'm just gonna cover it and let it steam for a little bit. And we'll be back when that's done. Okay, so I showed you the macaroni earlier, and I have the oven off, so I'm just gonna take it out now because it's basically done. So that's the macaroni, and we're just waiting on the Bok Choy to finish cooking. Okay, so here's the Bok Choy finished cooking, and I took it out the pan because it had too much liquid, and I'm just gonna season it. It's only a little bit because it's my first time making it and it's just to try it. Watching, and like and subscribe for more.